How to make LinkedIn profile visible to recruiters. Step 1. Log into your LinkedIn account using a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Step 2. Click into your profile by clicking your name on the left sidebar. Step 3. You'll see a box that says Show recruiters you're open to work. Click Get Started. Step 4. A box will pop up where you can add your job preferences, such as where you're looking, how are you looking, and what are you looking for. Step 5. When you're done, click Add to Profile. Step 6. Select whether you want all LinkedIn members to know you're looking. This is good if you were recently laid off or want your network to know you're looking for a new job. Do not select this if you don't want your current employer knowing you're in the job market. Click Recruiter Only if you only want recruiters not at your current company to know you're looking, most common. Step 7. Click Add to Profile when you're done. Step 8. Once your Open to Recruiter status has been updated, you can select whether you want to receive email updates about jobs, messages, and Open to Work updates. Step 9. And you're done. Good luck!